8 telltale signs that you are deficient in magnesium. Forget the cryptic clues of blood tests. When it comes to unmasking magnesium deficiency, blood work may not always tell the truth. While those lab reports offer hints, they can be unreliable narrators. So to truly crack the case, we need to get a little more intuitive. Think of this video as your magnifying glass into the world of magnesium. Together, we'll dissect the top 8 telltale signs that whisper the secret of deficiency. And the beauty is, unlike intricate forensic puzzles, this one has a relatively easy solution. No need for invasive procedures or costly equipment, just a dash of self-awareness and a willingness to embrace some simple lifestyle tweaks. But before we embark on this detective journey, let's acknowledge the elephant in the room. Chances are, if you're here, you're already harboring a healthy suspicion of magnesium deficiency. Our modern world, with its fast-paced rhythms and mineral-depleted foods, makes it all too easy to fall short on this vital nutrient. This abundantly powerful mineral, as I call it, plays a crucial role in hundreds of bodily functions. When its levels dip, the orchestra of health starts playing a discordant tune. Remember, your body speaks volumes, you just need to learn its language. And when it comes to the whispers of magnesium deficiency, this video will be your Rosetta Stone. But before we start, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up so we can help spread the word on this powerful mineral. The cramp conundrum: why muscle twitches? Point to magnesium, not potassium. The dreaded muscle cramp. That involuntary spasm that turns your leg into a temporary knot of discomfort. But before you blame the usual suspect, potassium, let's introduce a surprising twist to the story: magnesium. It all boils down to a fascinating cellular dance called ion transportation. Picture this: magnesium acts like a bouncer at a nightclub, holding the keys to entry for other essential minerals like potassium. When magnesium binds to specific receptors on your cell membrane, it unlocks the door, allowing nutrients to flow in and keep your muscles buzzing with energy. But when magnesium becomes deficient, the bouncer vanishes. The nightclub closes, and those other minerals locked outside start throwing a tantrum. This imbalance throws your muscle cells into chaos, unable to receive proper signals and clench uncontrollably. Hello, cramps! Now, you might be wondering, why not blame potassium directly? After all, it's often touted as the muscle hero. But here's the catch: even if you're lacking in potassium, as long as magnesium is present, it can still act as that bouncer, letting other minerals like potassium in and maintaining a semblance of order. It's only when magnesium is out of the picture that the whole system falls apart. But the good news is, this bouncer is easy to appease. Focus on natural sources of magnesium like leafy greens, nuts, and dark chocolate. You can even consider a gentle dietary supplement, always with your doctor's guidance. Remember, muscle cramps are often a sign of deeper imbalances, and magnesium deficiency is a prime suspect. The Sleepless Saga: how magnesium can turn your nightmares into sweet dreams. Imagine tossing and turning all night, a prisoner in your own bed. Sheep counting fails, meditation fizzles, and your brain plays a relentless loop of anxieties. If this sleep-deprived scenario is suddenly new to you, there might be a surprising culprit lurking in the shadows: magnesium deficiency. It's all about the dance between two competing systems in your body: the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems. Think of the sympathetic as your fight-or-flight mode, all tense muscles and buzzing energy. Magnesium acts like a switch, flipping the control panel to the parasympathetic side, where calmness and relaxation reign. But when magnesium dips low, the switch gets stuck. You're trapped in a perpetual state of hyperactivity, even if your body is begging for sleep. Your muscles stay clenched, your mind races, and the Sandman becomes a distant stranger. Enter GABA, the brain's built-in chill pill. This neurotransmitter acts like a dimmer switch for your mental activity, helping you transition from frenetic to restful. And guess who plays a key role in activating those GABA receptors? You guessed it, magnesium. Now, While sleeplessness can have a multitude of causes, if it's a recent development and accompanied by other signs of magnesium deficiency, it could be a valuable clue. Remember, this isn't about diagnosing yourself, but recognizing potential red flags and exploring solutions with your doctor. By incorporating magnesium-rich foods like leafy greens, nuts, and seeds into your diet, or considering gentle supplements under your doctor's guidance, you might just unlock the door to a peaceful night's sleep. The stress monster: how magnesium can help you tame the beast. We all get stressed. In our fast-paced world, it's like a permanent resident in our lives. But what if you find yourself struggling to cope anymore, feeling like even minor irritations send you spiraling? This sudden shift in your stress tolerance might have a surprising culprit: magnesium deficiency. Remember GABA, the brain's built-in chill pill that we discussed earlier? When magnesium levels dip, GABA production suffers too. The result? A mind that's perpetually on edge, buzzing with anxiety and unable to switch off. This lack of inner calm amplifies even the smallest stresses, turning them into overwhelming monsters. But that's not the only player in the stress game. A fascinating study published in the Journal of Neuropharmacology reveals a direct link between magnesium deficiency and elevated cortisol, the infamous stress hormone. This surge in cortisol comes from a hyperactive region in your brain called the paraventricular hypothalamic nucleus, the stress response headquarters. Think of it like a fire alarm that's constantly triggered, even for the tiniest flicker of smoke. Without enough magnesium-activated GABA to cool things down, your brain interprets every email, every deadline, every minor annoyance as a major emergency. You become hyperreactive, constantly on the verge of fight or flight mode. The good news is, by incorporating magnesium-rich foods like leafy greens, nuts, and seeds into your diet, or considering gentle supplements like magnesium glycinate, you might just find yourself regaining your composure and reclaiming your stress resilience. The aching joints and brittle bones mystery: how magnesium holds the key. Our bodies are intricate machines, held together by a delicate balance of minerals. When that balance goes awry, the first creaks and groans might come from our joints and bones. If weakness and aches in these areas have become unwelcome companions, magnesium deficiency might be playing a surprising role. Remember the sunshine vitamin? Vitamin D, as it turns out, needs a dance partner to truly shine. That partner is magnesium. Without enough magnesium, vitamin D struggles to transform into its active form, hindering its ability to strengthen bones and joints. So even if you're soaking up the sun, your bones might not be getting the full benefit without sufficient magnesium. We all know calcium is crucial for strong bones. But here's the twist. Too much calcium in the wrong places can be a silent threat. Magnesium acts like a traffic cop, directing calcium from your bloodstream to its rightful destination, the bones. Without this magnesium-powered guidance, calcium can end up causing trouble in your tissues, leading to aches and pains. Now, feeling muscle cramps, fatigue, poor sleep, and joint aches might not automatically scream magnesium deficiency. But if these signs start forming a chorus, it's worth exploring with your doctor. Remember, self-diagnosis is risky, but understanding your body can empower you to make informed choices. The muscle misfire: how magnesium dethrones the potassium culprit. You hit the gym, pumped for a workout, but your muscles seem to be on holiday. They just won't fire up, leaving you feeling weak and frustrated. While potassium deficiency often gets blamed for muscle woes, a surprising twist might be hiding in the shadows: magnesium deficiency. Here's the secret handshake. Magnesium acts like a secret agent, ensuring proper communication between your nerves and muscles. When it's in short supply, the nerve signals get garbled, leading to that frustrating misfire you experience as muscle weakness. But this isn't a solo act. Magnesium also plays a crucial role in maintaining potassium levels. Electrolytes like potassium are essential for proper muscle function. But here's the catch. When magnesium dips low, your body throws a panic party, triggering something called RMK channels in your kidneys. These channels become overactive, flushing out precious potassium in an attempt to restore order. Think of it like a fire drill gone wrong. The alarm goes off, magnesium deficiency, and everyone, potassium, scrambles for the exits, kidneys, leaving you feeling weak and depleted. But wait, there's more! Sodium joins the party. If you're also lacking in this crucial electrolyte, the plot thickens further. A hormone called aldosterone rises, hoarding water and sodium while kicking potassium out the door. So if you're feeling weak, puffy, like your muscles are on strike, a magnesium-sodium double deficiency might be pulling the strings. The blood pressure enigma, why magnesium takes center stage. The dreaded cuff reading. Elevated numbers staring back at you, leaving you wondering what went wrong. While many point the finger at sodium, a surprising plot twist awaits. Magnesium deficiency might be playing a lead role in the high blood pressure drama. Imagine magnesium whispering to your platelets, those tiny blood components that can clump together, hindering smooth blood flow. Magnesium, through a magical molecule called prostacyclin, encourages these platelets to chill out, keeping them from forming unwanted traffic jams in your bloodstream. Blood vessels are like highways for your blood, and sometimes they get tense, constricting the flow and bumping up your pressure. But not when magnesium is around. It activates another wonder molecule, nitric oxide, which acts like a muscle relaxant for your arteries, widening them and allowing blood to whoosh through smoothly. So when magnesium dips low, these two crucial mechanisms go haywire. Platelets get a little too enthusiastic, clumping up and creating roadblocks. Vessels tense up, turning the highway into a narrow alleyway. The result? Increased resistance to blood flow, and bam, your blood pressure shoots up. If you're experiencing high blood pressure along with other signs of magnesium deficiency, like muscle cramps, fatigue, and sleep disturbances, it's a good idea to consult your doctor. They can help unravel the mystery behind your numbers and explore whether magnesium might be the missing piece in your blood pressure puzzle. The constipation conundrum, how magnesium gets things moving. That uncomfortable feeling of things grinding to a halt in your digestion? It might not just be your diet. A surprising culprit could be lurking in the shadows, magnesium deficiency. Our colon, the final stretch of the digestive highway, relies on rhythmic muscle contractions to keep things moving smoothly. But these crucial movements need a conductor, and that conductor is often magnesium. When magnesium levels dip, the colon's muscles can seize up, turning the smooth highway into a bumpy, congested mess. Imagine your colon as a tense, clenched fist. Not exactly conducive to smooth traffic flow, right? But when magnesium steps in, it acts like a gentle massage therapist, relaxing those muscles and allowing waste to glide through effortlessly. That's why magnesium citrate, with its high concentration of magnesium, can sometimes trigger a quick trip to the bathroom. The fatigue enigma. Why magnesium holds the key to energy. That constant feeling of dragging yourself through the day. It might not just be a lack of sleep or a demanding schedule. A surprising culprit could be lurking within magnesium deficiency. Imagine a tiny power plant within each of your cells, churning out energy molecules called ATP. This precious fuel powers everything you do, from breathing and thinking to digesting food and moving your muscles. But guess what? This power plant needs a crucial cog to keep running smoothly: magnesium. ATP doesn't work alone. It needs to be tightly bound to magnesium, like a superhero needs their trusty sidekick. This dynamic duo powers every function in your body. But when magnesium levels dip, the partnership falters. ATP gets lonely, floating around without its partner, and the energy production line grinds to a halt. The result? You feel it first and foremost in your energy levels. That dragging sensation, the constant struggle to get things done, it's like your power plant is running on fumes. You're putting in the effort, going through the motions of creating energy, but the real spark, the output, is missing. This fatigue isn't just a mental drain, it's a physical consequence of your cells struggling to produce the fuel they need. It's why even after seemingly enough sleep, you still feel like you're operating in slow motion. So the next time you feel that familiar energy drain, don't just reach for another cup of coffee. Consider whether magnesium might be the missing spark and unlock the door to a life powered by well-being. We live in a fast-paced world, constantly juggling responsibilities and pushing ourselves to the limit. We crave peak performance, optimal health, and a vibrant zest for life. But what if the secret to unlocking this potential lies not in fancy supplements or grueling workouts, but in a humble mineral called magnesium? Remember, this journey is not about striving for perfection. It's about listening to your body and nurturing its natural symphony. Magnesium isn't a magic bullet, but it's a powerful instrument in the orchestra of your well-being. By acknowledging its role and taking steps to replenish its presence, you can unlock a whole new level of vitality, resilience, and zest for life. This journey is a collaboration, not a solo act. Share your experiences, your recipes, your magnesium revelations in the comments below. Let's build a community of informed, empowered individuals. Together, we can rewrite the soundtrack of our lives, replacing discord with vibrant well-being, one magnesium-rich note at a time.